Hello students, today we'll discuss about the basic requirement of NC machine control. That topic covers in computer integrated manufacturing 6th semester as well as 8th semester. Some basic requirement of NC machine control is here. The first one, some basic preparatory functions. That preparatory functions which have a unit, which interpolator, absolute or incremental programming with circular interpolation plan and cutter compensation, etc. All are known as preparatory function in ANSI system. Coordinate system. Coordinate system in ANSI system, the three translational coordinate systems is here and three rotational axis is here. Machining parameters. Machining parameters like feed rate and a spindle of speed in ANSI system. That is basic requirement of machine control. Tool control. The tool control meaning that is tool diameter, next tool number, and tool changing option for the tool control in NC. Cycle functions. Cycle functions meaning there is a repeating operation like that drilling cycle, rim cycle, bore cycle, mill cycle, and the clearance of the plan. These are all cycle functions in NC system. Coolant control system in NC. That is coolant control system or coolant on off and the what type of coolant is the flow in during cutting operation. There is a flat type or a mist type that is depend on the work material in during cutting in NC system. Miscellaneous control systems like that spindle on off, tab rewind, spindle rotation direction, pallet change, clamp control, etc. These are all basic requirement of the ANSI system. Here we can see a block diagram of the NC motion control system. Here is top of the diagram the NC program here and the NC program execution system here. The execution system of the NC program will be divided in two parts. One is the dimensions, another is commands. Dimensions have the interpolator and the servo control mechanism and control logic and linear motions, and the commands read by translators, relay, solenoid, and power system. So these are NC motion control block diagram system. New NCs or CNCs. In latest version of the numerical control system or a computer numerical control systems have the high speed of the spindle is around is greater 20,000 rpm revolution per minute, and the high feed rate of the drive is greater 600 inch per meter, and high precision have these NC and CNC machines like 0.0001 per inch accuracy is produced by these NC and CNC machines. Basic types of numerical controls here we can divide it in three types of numerical control system. The first one conventional numerical controls, second one direct numerical control, and third one computer numerical control system. These are basic types of numerical control system. The first one NC control system that data is sent to the machine tool by means of punch cards and tap, and the reader at the machine performs no calculations or interpolations in this type of NC system. The second one, DNC. DNC meaning direct numerical control and distributed numerical control. In direct numerical control, that control of multiple machines tools by a single computer through direct connections and in real time. That innovation of 1960s technology that best and two-way communications have the DNC system. And distributed numerical control system consists of the central computer connected to machine tool MCUs, and which are CNCs, and that based on present technology and that also have two-way of communication. Here is block diagram of the direct numerical control and a distributed numerical control system. We can see clearly here that is central computer here and the connected all machine tools directly to the machine central computer. And in distributed numerical control system, they have a central computer that answer programs, and that all MCUs machine control units of the CNC machines are connected to the central computer, and the individual machines connected to the particular machine control unit. So there are basic difference between direct numerical control and distributed numerical control system. Computer numerical control (CNC) machines. In CNC machine, the idea of the computer numerical control is to position a computer right at the machine tool. Most, if not all machines tools that are numerically controlled are CNC machine tools. Computer numerical control, we can see in this slide the figures of the machines, real machines. That is also CNC machine that have three axes movement. Some basic advantages of the ANSI systems here. The first one reduces time for delivery of the part and reduces storage problem by the ANSI system, reduces scrap rate of the material, less setup time, reduces tooling, reduces actual machining time, reduces layout time, and allow rapid design changes in part, increase machine and tool life, less jig and fixtures are needed for the completion of the particular operation. These are basic advantages of the NC systems. Cost benefits of the numerical control system, we can see here the cost, like that first one, high investment cost, high maintenance effort, need for skilled programmers, high utilization required. These are all disadvantages of the NC systems. And some basic benefits as per the economics, we can say cycle time reduction, non-productive time reduction, greater accuracy and repeatability have by the CNCs, lower scrap rates, reduced part inventory and floor space, operator skill level reduced. These are all economics based disadvantages and advantages in the numerical control system. Thank you.